We're done with our hike and we're heading to a campground now.
Filling up with gas.
So basically we can camp anywhere that has a spot open along this road. He's like, he's just hot.
Yeah, it is warm out.
60 degrees feels hotter. All these stones are spread out. I've piled these couple around. I'm going to make it into a circle like a fire pit because I don't know why they're just spread all over the place. So this is what it looks like now. There is the end result. Hudson, he didn't want to help me. Instead, he's over here eating sandwiches with Johnny. Or burritos. You eating burritos over here?
I'm trying.
I've got my chair set up now. I made a pepperoni and cheese wrap. Hudson's over here. The solar's charging over there.
So Jess and Hudson just tried to walk back in the grass out there, but it was too uncomfortable. Now it's harness time because they're going to go on the road. He hates his harness.
Hudson, give me your foot. Thank you.
Are we being dramatic? Hudson.
Do you see his face?
Yeah.
Poor guy. We're taking him on another walk. I mean, by we, I mean I am taking him on another walk because he has been like, I don't know, crazy at the campsite. He just has too much energy. I took his harness off him. I'd say he's pretty freaking happy about it. He was just being weird with it on. Yeah. I don't want you being a weirdo. But that doesn't stop you, huh? Oh, yeah. Wow. Love the dirt. Let's go. Are you a happier guy now? Yeah. He has taken a break up here in the shade. Hi! Oh, to roll in the dirt some more. You want to go back to camp and get dinner? Too hot for the poor guy out here. Yeah. You want dinner? Okay. He's eating his dinner. It's almost 70 out here, so we're not used to this heat. I think it's getting to him a little bit. I just spent like 30 minutes combing Hudson out. There's all the fur from him. But he's looking like such a slick boy now. Oh, what? Why'd you get dirty? Did you just roll in something? What's on your face, or is that in your mouth? Oh, lovely. You just got combed out, so now you had to get covered in dirt?
So we're playing catch, and Hudson just runs back and forth, chasing the ball.
And Johnny just ate it.
I did. I ate.
He threw it, immediately fell on.
Yeah, the ground is...
Hudson's gonna pop the ball.
Hudson. Hudson. Hudson.
Ah, he's a happy boy. It's his birthday tomorrow. Be nice. Is it your birthday? You're gonna be 2. Did you want a football for your birthday?
Yeah. We'll take a break, Huds.
He doesn't want it.
I'm probably not gonna catch this. Nope, didn't catch it. Yeah. All right, but we'll take a break. Don't pop it. He's the best. Oh, he's getting nervous. All right, do that again. I wasn't filming you.
Turtle. Yeah, let's turn him into a turtle.
The happiness fades away. He's like, all right, you're not taking it.
Okay. You're a good boy. Come here. Mom's not going to take it. There you go. like held on to it in his arms. Mom's not taking it. This boy today, he like has just random bursts of energy. He must know it's his last day being one, so he's like being extra crazy. Hudson, do you know you're being extra crazy? Hi. We still got fur everywhere. Yeah, you got no chill. Yet in an hour, you'll be ready for bed. Make sure I document this day. Wow. Blech. Gotta make sure I document this baby's last day as a 1-year-old. This is the last day as a baby puppy. Tomorrow he's the big 2.
The terrible 2.
Oh, the terrible 2s. Are we ready?
Are you gonna turn terrible tomorrow?
Where is the football? Hudson. Oh, do you have it?
Yeah, he has it.
Oh. I'm gonna see it. You're not gonna be terrible. You're perfect. You're just gonna stay that way, right? It is officially sandal weather, so I got my Chacos on. Chacos for Sedona. I just put all the window covers on. It's like 5:30, and this guy is, he's ready for bed. Oh, he's climbing in. Okay. He's climbing in. Are you in for the night? You're good, buddy. I just gotta put my chair away. The sun is pretty much down, and I just gotta put my chair away.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.